Control the center. Controlling the center is very important because knights, bishops, and queens, which are the main fighting pieces of the middle game, all are more mobile from the center. Control of the center allows you to attack either side of the board easily. It also allows you to gain space, which gains further mobility. You can control the center in the opening by occupying it with pawns or attacking it with pieces. In this example, white has 2 pawns in the center and black hasn't done any central moves. Notice how white is attacking or occupying every square in the center and can move his pieces freely, while if black were to move his knights, white could drive them back with his pawns. Develop minor pieces. Developing minor pieces, which are the bishops and knights, is important because they are more powerful than pawns and control the center more easily. Developing the major pieces, which are the rooks and queens, is a bad idea because they will be driven back by minor pieces and pawns. In this example, black has moved several pawns and his queen. He will be punished swiftly if white plays knight d5, forcing the queen back to d8. After that, white can sacrifice his knight on e5 to play queen h5 check the next turn, devastating black as white will either win big material or checkmate. That should show you the importance of developing minor pieces. Castle. Castling is important because it makes your king safe, preventing your opponent from playing a variety of tactics and allowing your rook to come into the game. In this position, black has gotten greedy and snapped a pawn without castling, and white will now win it back and gain a dominating position with chances to checkmate or win a winning quantity of material. That is why you should castle.